All right, today we have a little fixer-up project. You can see that the closet is missing and part of the hardware is left behind. Screw there, and then at the bottom we just have nothing there. What this has resulted in is, you can see here, it's cracked where it mounts, and especially the bottom is cracked. So let's take this out to the garage and see if we can fix this. If we take a close look at this, this is just one of those hollow core closet doors. You can see the veneer's cracked off, also split along the bottom. And what we want to do is replace this piece of wood. Now this closet door, I trimmed down about 1/2 inch to make it fit. That's part of the problem. This wood is so thin here that it's easy to split. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out and replace this piece of wood with a thicker piece of wood. But we're going to do the same thing on the other side and then put it back together. All right, so we're going to take this piece out. Look at that, it comes out very easy. And then all we need to do is cut a nice little piece, and I'm going to make it, I think stock they're about 1 inch deep. I'm going to make it maybe 2 inches deep. Before we cut it, let's take a look at the other side. Now this is a stock one. You can see it's about 1 inch deep, but it still has cracks. So we're going to replace it with a bigger piece. Don't want to wreck this. This one's in a little more solidly, but it does need to be replaced. So let me just hit it here, see what happens. Now it's moving. Don't want to crack this front veneer of the door. Ah, you can see it's starting to crack the veneer, but now it's splitting the veneer. So let's just make a cut line. Ah, see, it's kind of splitting here. This is going to get messy if I don't get it right. See, it's ripping that. Maybe this is time to use my... One thing I love about this tool, it has probably a 12-foot cord, which makes it nice because you don't always need to drag out the extension cord as much. Cut this top off, then I can get behind it. Need to get behind there and pull it out. The hammer's too big. This little kid's hammer will do just fine. There we go, beauty. This last little bit here. Perfect. So now we got to cut a piece of wood here for this side and a piece of wood for the other side. One and 1/8, maybe a tickle less. Because these sides are pretty dirty, I'm going to just rip it through the one side and then the other side. I don't want to be screwing in by the knot. So since I'll be screwing in over here, I'll just line it up that side. It's nice clean wood there. Ooh, it's hard. Let me get this right away. And here's a trick. If you can't get glue far enough in, something like a chisel, you just push it in there a little more. Or, of course, you can blow it. You can blow the glue in. All right, let's slide this in. The beauty of a pin nailer, you can see it makes such small holes, so you can just paint over them pretty much. You don't really even need to fill them. This cap has been off so long, glue is pretty thick. There we go, lots of glue now. Rather have a little too much than not enough. Dried long enough. Let's mount our hardware back on. So one more thing, I don't know if you noticed the top of these closet doors had a little hole in them. So some closets with the hardware, they have the hole and the hardware actually fits inside there. So if you actually replace that piece of wood, you'll have to re-drill the hole for your hardware to fit. Let's take a closer look. I think it looks pretty good. Good enough. All right, let's install this. The bottom just goes in the hole there, and the top slides right up in there, and then I just push this shut. All right, just like this. Like that. I think it'll just work. Now we gotta adjust this crack here. See how it's hitting the top there? So we just gotta pull this a little bit this way. Oh, that's way too far. Pushing it a tiny bit. It's about even, and I'll tighten it up, and then we'll make sure they close nicely. Just take a look at how the doors close together, bang into each other. Perfect. Just sit still. Doesn't go mind his own.